Hey friend, good morning. Thank you so much for being here. Welcome if you are new. My name is Tori. I have so much to get done in my kitchen today and just some random things around the house. So of course, without fail, we have woken up to no power. So I'm plugging in my generator here. It's always linked in the description box, but it is amazing, portable, and I charge it with the solar panels that come with it. So I'm just making a pot of coffee here and I am headed straight to the garden. We have a few things to show off slash need to harvest, like absolutely need to, probably yesterday, but we're gonna go with it. I have been feeling a bit stressed lately, so I've been doing everything I can to start my mornings with some easy ways to just lower my cortisol and just keep my serotonin going. I'm trying to savor these last few months here in Colorado, and I've just been enjoying it, but I will say it's been stressful. So big shout out to Boozy Life for sponsoring today's video. I will show you what they have sent to keep myself going during these worrisome slash tricky times that we're in. But those were the coneflowers I wanted to show you. My zinnias are popping up and they just look beautiful. So Boozy Life, I've worked with them before. If you're new here, they have incredible products and they're just phenomenal. Customer service is top notch and they're a kind company. So you know I love them. They sent over their new portable, chargeable hydrogen water bottle and I have been seeing these all over everywhere and I wanted to give it a try. I've been very intrigued by this. Hydrogen water is enriched with antioxidant properties and it is generated by this bottle. So it helps neutralize harmful free radicals in your body. It aids in muscle recovery. It improves your sleep quality. It helps with your energy levels and so much more. So with Boozio's 5th generation pure split technology, it comes equipped with DuPont's latest proton exchange membrane. So the hydrogen water efficiently produces up to 3,000 ppb of hydrogen-rich alkaline water in just 10 minutes and then 1,600 ppb in 5 minutes. The special drain vent at the bottle base expels excess ozone, chlorine, and other harmful gases, ensuring the production of ozone-free, metal-free alkaline water. This bottle is equipped with an intuitive OLED display, and the hydrogen water machine allows you to easily monitor the hydrogen concentration in ppb, track the countdown timer for water readiness, and check the battery level at a glance. Enjoy refreshing hydrogen alkaline water effortlessly with just a simple button press and hold that button down for 3 seconds. I have been loving this bottle and I know you will too. All of the information you may need is in the description box for you along with a code. I am just trying to work through some of my herbs and some of the garden harvest here. So we are just going to make a quick little yarrow salve. I'm using coconut oil as my carrier oil, but you could use almond oil, olive oil, really whatever you have on hand. And I'm going to expedite this process by infusing my oil on the stove. Typically you'd want fresh plant matter in your oil, leaving it in the bright sun for 4 to 6 weeks, but we simply don't have time. So I'm going to get it on high heat and I'm going to allow it to be in that dish for about 48 hours. So I do have regular white yarrow in there and I have yellow. And while that's going, I'm putting on a chicken. We're going to do one last round of chicken broth to pressure can. I found this at King Soopers on clearance, natural, free range, all the good stuff, organic for like $3.66. So why not? I'm just going to keep on cooking through what we have in the freezer here, and I'm seasoning up with my typicals, you know, oregano, salt, pepper, garlic. I have a little bit of chili powder there. I always put honey on mine. My grandmother did, so that's why I do it. And then I'm going to run outside quick and I'm going to do another Mullein tincture. So if you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen me working with this Mullein, and it has caused quite the stir. I'm shocked, but everyone's yelling at me because it's invasive and I intentionally planted it. If you know your stuff in the garden, I'm no expert, but I have a general understanding, you can make sure that Mullein does not, take over your whole garden. And I feel like that's really important. Just because this is considered an invasive weed doesn't mean we can't use it medicinally. I encourage everybody to check it out. It is great for your respiratory system, but But I mean, honestly, I love taking it in a tincture, but I use it in a tea as well. And traditionally, people use this, they smoked it, and it made them feel 10 times better. I know that's not everyone's cup of tea, but that is what people do. So for the tincture, I just put fresh plant matter in there in an amber jar. I've been loving these. Everything's linked in my Amazon store. And then I pour over some 100 proof vodka. I fill it to the tippy top, and then I just put my lid on it and give it a shake, and then I go from there. And that really was what I needed to get done to get some things out of the way, some jars, some plants, and some random things we had going on. But I wanted to take you along this busy morning. So as you can see, I'm just labeling this here, and that's the last of my tinctures. Knock on wood, you never know. I might be putting some more in these videos, but I'm really trying to move these on out of here, and I'm also trying to give them as gifts to friends and neighbors. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to check out all of Buzio's information in the description box below. I'm going to leave you with some very therapeutic candle making. This is what I do with the tips of that mullein. I dip it in some wax, and then you can use it as a candle in the event of an emergency. So I've been really enjoying using all of the plant, and I encourage everyone to do so. I'm going to catch you on the next one. I hope you are well wherever you are in the world, and I will see you later. Stay adventurous, stay creative, friend. Bye.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down.